Hi everyone, so I got this amazing idea how we can serve hot chocolate and I want to share it with you right away. So first we're gonna do the hot chocolate. We're gonna warm up some milk. I'm gonna use chocolate powder. In the meantime, I'm gonna do some decoration. On the plate I already prepared everything. So here I'll just put the cocoa like this. And on this side, I hope I will do it better. You know how it is when you're filming. Of course, it doesn't come as you want. Eccola. I'm gonna pour now this warm milk in the chocolate and mix it that the whole chocolate melts. And now the most important part, we're gonna cut the apple here. We're gonna do a hole in it. Help yourself with a spoon. Eccola. And now we're gonna pour this hot chocolate in our apple. Surprise! We're gonna add some sweet cream on top. And we have the last detail. We're gonna put this here and the snowman here. And voila! Our hot chocolate is ready to serve. If you like this video and this idea, please like, comment and subscribe. I think it's amazing, especially for the kids. Thank you for watching and really have a lovely day. Ciao! Last detail, I'm gonna put a bit of cocoa on top. Enjoy! Hope you like it. Ciao!